Moving on now to news coming in. It's a political war between the Congress and the BJP. Former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister and leader of the Congress, Bhupesh Baghel, has now stoked a controversy. He's called the Prime Minister unstable. Bhupesh Baghel going on to say that the Prime Minister is now saying that Paramatma has sent him, which means he's not a normal human being. It shows that he's mentally unstable, is what the Congress leader has gone on to say.
वो नेहरू जी को डिफेम करके अपना स्थान बनाना चाहते हैं। नेहरू जी के पैर की धूल नहीं है। मोदी जी 10 जन्म ले लें तब भी नेहरू जी नहीं बन सकते। उन्होंने देश की आजादी में सर्वाधिक समय जेल में बिताए। उन्होंने देश के नवनिर्माण किए। आज जितने भी इंस्टीट्यूशन दिख रहे हैं वो नेहरू जी के बनाए हुए हैं, और ये प्रजातंत्र की जड़ें मजबूत की उन्होंने।
Pallavi, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more perspective on this. Pallavi, Bhupesh Baghel is not the first leader to hint at what he's hinting at, isn't it? Many other leaders in the recent past have also insinuated that the Prime Minister seems to be losing it.
And just a while back, in fact, since morning, the Congress has been making a big issue about the fact that the language which has been used by the Prime Minister as far as the opposition leaders are concerned. And we have been talking about it since morning, Poonam. Now, these kind of words which have come in from a former chief minister, someone who's very consistent, very close to the Gandhi family, will give enough ammunition for the BJP to make the point that, look, you need to look at the mirror. You need to understand that when you're constantly criticizing us, perhaps you also need to understand the kind of language which the Congress party uses against the PM. Apart from that, Poonam, in the past, we have seen that it was 2019 also, whenever they have made these kind of personal attacks on the PM, it had always boomeranged on the Congress party. Because it only helps the BJP to make the narrative that for a man who's trying to change the country, that's the argument which is coming in from the BJP. Look at the kind of personal attacks which is being made on the PM. And I'm sure the BJP in the last few critical days of campaigning left for these Lok Sabha elections will, of course, use this opportunity to hit back at the Gandhi family as well as the opposition party.
Right, what happens next? We'll keep a track of that. But for the moment, Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us the latest.